Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to watch how to apply an e-visa to travel to Cameroon. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, nowadays more and more countries are migrating to e-visas because of ease in application and the convenience people get, and also it boosts tourism. So it's good that Cameroon too has this system. So now let's go through this. So guys, in front of you, I've opened official consular services portal of the Republic of Cameroon. And here you see two links, register now and login. So I've already registered, but just to let you know, like when you click on register, it asks you to put a captcha and then some name, email, and it sends you a code. Once you put that code, it asks you to set the password and then you are registered. Now here, after you are registered, you can go for login. Okay. You need to put your email and password. So that I'm going to do, and then I'm going to click on sign in. So now I'm in the portal. I'm getting two links, profile and visa application. So I'm going to click on visa application. Okay. So right now I don't have any application. So that's why you don't see any here, but you can click on new application. Okay. So steps you can see, first fill the form, upload the relevant documents, summary, verify it, pay, and then approval decision. So let's see what are the things they have asked, and then of course I won't be submitting. So very basic details, surname, name. You see this red mark? It's mandatory. I'm just putting some sample, guys. You should do it as per your passport so that you don't come across any issue. Area reserved for minors, so it's for them. National profession, you can select what you are. Current country of residence, whatever is applicable in your case. Email address, telephone number, just put. Okay, travel document, ordinary passport, passport number, everyone asks, no doubt. It's important. Date of issue, and they also need to check of date of issue and expiry both. Right. Country of issue, who has issued you this. Information or this, like if you have been invited by an institution, so you need to provide that information. But let's say you're just going for general tourism, then that's not applicable to you. Processing mode. Oh, you have normal, express, both. Wow. So express, you'll be uh, probably paying more. Short stay. How many days? I apply single entry. Length of stay in days. Let's say I do for 20. Entry date, let's say this. Exit date. So I'll go to June 20. Entry point in Cameroon. Reason for stay, tourism. Financed by yourself. If you ever had a visa there, if you have ever stayed. Okay. And then you can click on save and proceed. Country of birth should have a value. Oh, this one I had missed. So it's got to. Okay, now document upload. Passenger travel doc, passport, flight ticket, certificate accommodation, hotel reservation, invitation letter, other purpose of visit, other. And then you can see the based on your case, you're gonna define. And if you go to FAQ, you can see that for your situation, what documents you can, and you can provide description. And then you'll check the summary, pay the fee, and if granted, you are all good. So that's how it works, guys, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.